Okay, we got equities open in just a minute. All right, I want to see a buy stop. Buy stop 18,917. Okay, because we are being bullish. So let's see what happens here. That 30-minute closed beautifully. I'm going back to the news gap. The news fair value gap. Which is, all right, delete this buy stop. We will not be going with that. I'm bullish this morning, so let's see. Price is wanting to reach for something lower. Okay. Immediate rebalance. Let's see if we get a nice rejection. And if we don't, we're hopping on this right here. All right. So we got our first buy limit at 18,875. Buy limit 18,875. Oh no. This thing is not loading right now. Jesus. Why did it do that? And I can't even see it. 18,875. Trade just triggered. Trade just triggered. Stops at break even. Stops at break even. I hope you're in it. 18,875. I called it. We're gonna take it all the way to stops our break even right now. And take profit is 18,975. 18,975 is take profit. Stops at break even. Break even just hit. Break even just hit. So this trade never existed. I'm still bullish. I am still bullish. Just waiting to see how this reacts. Wow, I can't even see the other markets right now. That's crazy. That's crazy. These are not the conditions I need right now as far as internet goes. These are definitely not the conditions I need right now. What is this? Why do you want to lag on me? It could be just a computer. But I'm bullish, so let's see how price reacts in the news fair value gap.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you. What's up? What's up, brother?
Yes, sir. We are, brother. We are up.
Yes. How's your morning been? All right. So if we get a bullish engulfing here, we're hopping on that fair value gap. I mean, order block right here. And this right here would technically be our 930 fair value gap right here. Shouldn't be seeing price wanting to displace towards consequent encroachment. If we see that and price taps into our 930, we're hopping in for sells. Notice how there wasn't an immediate change in state of delivery, and price is doing it now after displacement coming down. Price took its time to then want to come up and reach our 930 gap. You know what? Let me refresh the page because I'm not seeing the other markets. Okay, everything looks good. Let me see if this can load. Beautiful, it loaded. Oh, now let's see what's going on. What's going on? Okay, gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. All right, so let me see. 930 sell or 930 fair value gap, which is 18868. 18868 sell limit. All right, trade triggered 18868 sell limit, and then our stops are going to be 18882. Although I am looking at it as a risk because price can't completely go through it since price still has this to target as buy side liquidity. And we're going for the liquidity left behind by news, by CPI. So we're gonna go ahead for beautiful. Take profit 18728. Take profit 18728. And stops are at break even now. Stops at break even. This is 140 points. And check this out. The low of the day is literally right there next to it in close proximity. So chances are price can come down even to the low of the day, giving us 160 points. But we're not being greedy. We are cutting it short right below the engineer's sell side liquidity that got created by news. Now, if we get stopped out break even, I'm gonna have to wait for the macro to give me more information. Higher probability order block got created as it entered the 930 gap. This up candle is literally touching the 930 gap. Shortly afterwards, the reaction was a complete change in state of delivery, completely engulfing that candle that went up to retest the 930 gap. So this order block is high probability, and I want to see rejections happening as it's being retested. That would be strong. Mm-mm. That's not what I want to see. All right, break even hit. We're waiting for the macro to speak to us. All right, so if price is bearish, after taking this high here, we should completely drop, meaning we are now putting sell stops at 858. Not now. I'll let you know. Let me see. Did it take that high? Yes, it did. Oh my god. No, actually didn't. Okay, so we got sell limit at 846. 846 sell limit. Trade triggered. I'm in. Beautiful. All right. So let's see how this trade goes. Stop it out, break even. As soon as it hits break even, get out. And I'm about to close. I put my stops at break even, and boom, break even. I'm out at break even because the 15-minute candlestick is about to open. I'm out at break even, and we can definitely see that price is rejecting the news fair value gap on the 15-minute and that order block. So we might come to this engineered buy side liquidity, and price has strength. Price has strength. It's not taking lows when it should. All right, so we got our buy stops at 18,854. 18,854 buy stops. And we're not taking it too far. Just 5RR is good enough. We got opening range high just right here. And that's what we're aiming for. Let's not go too far today. And if price gives us this, we're done for the day. But if price goes with my original idea of taking these lows, then, it is what it is. We're done for the day. All right, so change your buy stop to 18,850 is your new buy stop. Yeah, price is coming down to our engineer sell side. That is crazy. And we hopped out at break even right here at the 930 gap. That's crazy. That is crazy. All right. So we got this here. Sell limit 18,814. 18,814 sell limit. Unless price wants to completely just. Nah, we're definitely going for those lows. 18,814 sell limit. Trade is about to trigger. Trade just triggered. Take profit 18,734. 18,734.
Stops break even?
No. So we got take profit at 18,734. Let's see how this candlestick closes. If it closes above here, we're closing the trade. If it closes back in that gap, we're good to go. Retesting the order block, that's fine. Look at that. It's literally talking to us. Oh. Can we reclaim it? If we reclaim it, that'll be nice. Reclaiming it would mean coming back down below. Beautiful. But needs to close. Beneath the consequent encroachment at least. Beneath this red line at least. For us to continue. Okay, beautiful. All right, we're holding. We're holding. Stops at break even when price comes down to here. Let me see. Where is it? Let me mark it up. All right, beautiful. Here. Oh, let me put it up again. Stops at break even. Stops should be at break even. Break even hit. I'd rather be safe than sorry. It's probably gonna tap into this fair value gap once more. As soon as price, there we go. All right, we got our sell stops at 18,800. 18,800 sell stop. We're going for 5 hour, easy. And trade triggered. 18,800, trade triggered for sells. I mean, if price comes to there, price can also just tap into here. And here too. So 18,700 is your take profit. And wait for the next candlestick. This gap again. Beautiful. If it doesn't touch it, even better. I would like for I would like to see it hold. I would like to see this fair value gap here hold as resistance. Used as resistance. Okay. Beautiful. Alright, I'm still in the trade. Still in the trade. It's still using that gap as resistance. And why am I singling out this gap? Is because this gap was strong enough to break structure here. This swing low got broken and closed by this candlestick, which is the same candlestick that the fair value gap is coming from. So as soon as price can break below this low, stops at break even. It needs to cross. Boom, stops at break even. And I take profit 18,700. Come on, stay strong. Stay strong. We got stopped out again, break even. Yo, every single one of our trades got stopped out, break even today. Isn't that crazy? That's a damn thing. I'm not risking it today. Wow, I was calling sells from the 930 gap. That's crazy. That is indeed crazy, my people. Yeah, life price is really leaving high resistance liquidity run coming up. Yeah, straight displacements under the lows. Yeah, so if price comes up, takes any type of liquidity during the macro, and gives us a reversal, we're hopping in on that. All right, so yesterday we got a 3RR, basically a 3RR loss. So if we could pick up back for that, that'd be nice. All right, so we got ourselves the high probability order block for that retracement coming back up. So we're gonna be in on that. 808. Not now. I want to see this candlestick close above. We're gonna go for. All right, 808 entry for buys. 808 and we're in, and I'm in. 808. As soon as price comes up to here, you already know what stops at break even. Right here. Stops at break even. Above this line. And then I want to see price use this down candle as support. The moment we see that price doesn't want to respect the mean threshold of this, we'll be out of the trade. And stops at break even now. Stops at break even. Take profit 18,848. This is what I should have done on break even hit. This is what I should have done here on this first trade, because price went all the way to about 660 points here. I should have just targeted easy profit levels. They didn't work out. It didn't work out. Damn. The hourly candle's about to close. Let me see. Oh my god, we're dropping heavy today. Oh my god, we're gonna drop so good today. Oh yeah, I see it happening. We're dropping today. Alright, let me wait for 10 to come out. We're gonna drop. Oh no. Wow, we've been at break even all day. Keeping it safe, keeping it real tight. As you can see, price action is not the best right now. I like it. I like it. I like it. Now I wait. Now we wait. Now we wait. We're profiting today. I'll tell you that much. But we gotta wait. Let me see this here. Oh, oh my god, that is so beautiful. That is so fucking beautiful. Okay, okay, okay. I see, I see, I see, I see. I see, I see, I see. No, because we can't use that. Let me see. Can we? Oh wow, price literally jumped up from that there. All right, beautiful. If price comes back up to the equilibrium of this news gap, we're back in. Even though it's not a good thing. All right. All right. So this right here. Oh, sorry. There you go. 18809 is our entry for sells. One last time. The hourly candle's about to close. Hourly candle's about to close. We're hopping in on that equilibrium if it comes to it. Oh, wait, we got this pre-macro buy-side liquidity right here that price may want to target before falling. Uh-oh. Let's see, let's see. Can we come up before we come down? No, we're coming down. Uh-oh. If we miss the move, we miss the move. We missed the move. We missed the move, people. All right. We missed the move, people. Swing low right here. We could enter on that. 760. Yes. Let me see. 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 765 sell limit. 765 people. 765 sell limit. Come on, give me that. Give me that sell limit. 765. 765. We in. 765 sell limit. Let's see how price reacts. And we're going for 50 points here. Oh no, but look, it hit stop loss. This is a predetermined measurement that I have. This is gonna show that stop loss is there. We didn't put any stop loss. We're looking at price action, and I do not want to see it close right back inside the news fair value gap. I want it to use this order block as resistance. And yeah, we are out of the trade at 875 stop loss. Okay, boom, it's just triggered. All right, so we got a 20-point stop on that one. Our first loss of the day here. Oh, sorry, right there. 875. Oh my jeez. 20 points is what we lost on that one. I don't like it. Never had the strength to really push on that one there. And we're still going at it. Why you messing with me, child? Alright, we're going for that pre-macro buy side liquidity. And I'm entering 790 buy limit. 790 buy limit, and this is gonna be the last trade of the day. Okay, it's set and it's triggered. I am in. I am in. Let's see how we go. We're aiming for this pre-macro buy side liquidity. This one looks better if I put it like that. Stops at break even as soon as this high gets ran through. Stops at break even. Yes, sir. Give it to me. We're done for the day. If it hits, come on. Don't be don't. Why? No, be stronger. Oh, you're not strong at all. You're weak. You're such a weak bastard. Yes. Yes. Go. Go. No. Yes. Ah, break even hit. 20-point loss. Oh wait, 20 points. Let me see here. All right, guys, re-enter at 794. Re-enter at 794, and we're in. We're in again. I like it. I like that. I like that. Take profit. All right, 844, and then stop loss 784. We're gonna use this as our stop loss. Okay, we're out. 30 points for today. That is a bummer because I called out sells from all the way here on the 930 gap. That is such a bummer. And I'm in one last time because I know damn well we're gonna be bullish now. Okay. I bought in right at, oh, okay, 792. So we're down 30 points so far. Currently in a running trade. Remember risk management. So I mean, if you guys can handle another 20-point in drawdown before coming up, by all means go ahead. But always calculate your losses. Don't, if we take a loss, don't like double your risk on the next one, this and that. Like, don't entrust everything on the fact that I'm the one giving out the trades and the analysis and all that good stuff, because as you can see, even I can lose. Everybody loses, but there are better losers than others. And uh, I wish I was a better loser. I wish I was good at losing, but I'm not good at losing. So this is, oh, I see what can happen. Wow. Okay, so price can come back down to these liquidity points before taking this buy side liquidity up here. All right. So I have my stop set at 782. If it comes up to 782, I'm out. All right, 782, I'm out. Now, this whole thing right here, the price just created this range. Equilibrium just got met. If we close beneath it, we're running these lows here. We're gonna go with it. I'm not gonna miss out on that. I am not missing out on those liquidity points being taken right now. I'm sorry, but I'm just not. And then after all of this liquidity gets taken, we're aiming for the pre-macro buy side liquidity over here. So with this trade, we'll be back up in profits, and if price gives us an entry to then come up, that's gonna be our profit maker. We're down 40 points on this one so far. Now, if it weren't for the fact that 6-6, 7-6-6 sell stop, and trade is about to trigger. All right, there's no more reason for price to want to come back to the news fair value gap. Price already created liquidity here. It took it, and now we're displacing lower. It closed outside, came back inside to rebalance, and now we closed right back outside. So there should really not be any reason why price should want to come back up to the news fair value gap, unless it's just to manipulate and run through all these highs. But I don't see that happening yet. It's definitely not happening. So let's just see these lows being ran through, these liquidity points being ran through. Yeah, price will definitely want to come to here, take the low of the day as well. So take profit is 706, and stops at break even as soon as this low gets ran through. Let me see that 30 minute. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful. That 30 minute can definitely do all that damage. So much damage to be made. Oh my god, look at all that. Price can even come all the way here. Oh Jesus. Now we're done for the day after this. We'll be in profits, and I don't want to risk anymore because we should have been good with this first trade here that we caught at 9:30, but we got stopped out at break even right here. We caught it here on the first retest, got stopped out at break even here, and then price went without us, and we've been trying to catch the ride with the price, to capitalize on the fact that our target, it's being drawn to the sell side liquidity. And we got the lowest point of the day today here. The lowest point that price created today for the day of Wednesday. Stops at break even soon. Come on, I know you want to. That was a strong rejection. Come on. Big body, big down close candle. That's good enough. That's even better. Uh-oh. Big body? Yes. Not big body, but it is a little closed candle there. It rejected, so that's good. Yes, baby. And this liquidity point got taken by everybody. Nasdaq is the only one that hasn't taken it. So because of the concept of six sister consolidation, where you see three correlating charts, everybody takes a liquidity point -1, it's bound to take it. And stops at break even. Not yet. CPI day. Isn't that crazy? CPI day is a crazy day. Let me tell you, man. Like, this is crazy. This is so crazy to me. Like, why can't you just do it already? Why are you playing? Why are you doing all this ugliness? Oh my Jesus, you're so hard to work with. I'm just kidding. Not really. Just patience. It takes patience. Let the market create structure. Let the market just create price action. Let the market give you information. Let's go. Stops at break even. Stops at break even right now. Take profit 18706. 18706. Take profit. Let's go. Let's go, baby. A little bit more. And we're up for 20 points on the day. Jesus, that took forever. I do apologize. But you see how crazy price can be though? Like price can be crazy. Price can be weird. How you doing, Mr. Justin? You hanging in there?
Yes, sir. What about you?
I'm hanging in there.
Not even hanging in there, bro. You know we're up.
Crazy. Let's see if it. Oh, it's going for it. Oh hell no, we're not missing out on that one, guys. We are not. It's going for it. Oh my god, no way. Mother trucker. Mother trucker. We're going for it, guys. All right. So we're going for a sell stop here. 3R, an extra 3R, baby. Give it to me. All right, we're going to go for it at 62. 62, sell stop for 3R. 18662. 18662. Price is strong. So if we can break through the low, we're ripping all the way to the new week opening gap here. Let me see. Yeah, the new week opening gap. Oh my god, yes, we're ripping through it. 18662 self stop. Ooh. Alright, trade triggered. Stops at break even. 18632. Take profit. Stops at break even. 18632. Take profit. Come on. Be strong for me. All right. Break even hit. We can go for 20 more points right here, the top of this candlestick. 18666. 18666 buy stop. And then 18686 take profit. Trade triggered. Stop loss 18656 right off the bat. 18686 take profit. Stops at break even. Now, stops at break even. Stops at break even, guys. 18686 take profit. Stops at break even. Break even hit. All right, that's it. 20 points for today. We're up. That's fine. I'm good with that. If y'all are good with that, I'm good with that. I'm good with 20 points on the day. Should have been way more than 20 points because we were calling sells from all the way up here. But unfortunately, price action was not beautiful today. So we had to work with it. We definitely had to work with that. Unfortunato. Unfortunato. Ooh. Mini little divergence. Ooh. We don't trade every divergence, guys. There's divergence here, yes, but a rejection would show strength here. Coming back up for the low of the day. Oh my Jesus. Oh that. Oh yeah. Okay, so a nice little 30 points because we do see price failing to come down to here. If we get a strong rejection, we're putting our buy stops at 18,670. Not now. All right, and I want to see price come down. Buy stop 18,670 now. And I'm in. That's fine. This one was really high risk actually. All right, so we either end the day 650. Can we get an extra 30 points on this one? Take profit 18,700. That's our take profit on this one. And stop loss would be 18,650 for break even on the day. And break even on the day. That's what I'm gonna preach today. I'm gonna preach break even. I'm gonna preach break even for the day. All right. You guys can more or less stay with me and see the recording later, but I am coming out today a winner. Okay. So buy stop 18,669. We're gonna take that 40 points. And we're in. Buy stop 18,669 for 40 points. Take profit 18,709. 18,709. And then we have break even, remember. For the day. As soon as price, there we go. Stops at break even now. Remember your take profit. 18,709. Stops at break even. $40 points on the day. Let's go. 40 points on the day. Come on. Stops at break even. Price is so fun. Price is so fun to play with. But it's only meant to be in and out. Not analyzing price the whole day and trying to make money all day. No. Make money, you're out. You get what I'm saying? And break even hit. That is unfortunate. Price is really moving big today, so I'm not risking. We're not risking here, guys. We are not risking here. All right, so sell stop since we are bearish. 57, 18,657. We're taking her all the way to, what did I say her? This is a her. That's why. It's a her. It's a her. We're taking it to 60 points. Let's go. 60 points. So from 657 all the way to 597, 60 points. I'm expecting for price to completely run through this no week opening gap. But we're going to take it just short of that. We're still at break even for the day. We should have been in big profits by now because our first entry here was beautiful. Oh my god, that was so beautiful. Exactly 868 was my entry on that one. Brother, what happened here? We got stopped out break even. What the fuck was that? And we were aiming literally for the low of the day. Today would have been a beautiful 160 point day. 160 points we could have gained today. But we got stopped out at break even here, stop loss here, and like a whole bunch of nonsense on the way down. And I'm just like, how did I let that happen? How did I let that happen? And then we get this last setup here, beautiful entry, and then fume price literally just ran through our objective and it kept going. Like what? How are you gonna tell me that, bro? But that's okay. It's CPI day. I expect big movement. I really do. I also expect for this new week opening gap to be ran through. So there's that. All right. So liquidity got swept here within the order block. If we could manage to go above this volume imbalance, no, not yet. Yes, we're coming up now. We got a couple more minutes for 10:30. That's gonna be our last injection of liquidity. Price is looking beautiful. Price is looking beautiful. And then we got this strong as, very strong fair value gap. It closed beneath two important liquidity points. So if price were to come up, reach even 25% of that, I would like to be in it. 18,715 sell limit. 18,715 sell limit. 18,715 sell limit, guys. We got one more minute to then play with our 30-minute candlestick. Let's groove tonight. Chandeliers are high. Let's groove tonight. Let's groove. 18,715 sell limit. Shine the lights right. That's if price wants to reach that high. We got a sell limit at 18,715. Today has been a full trading day. That's crazy. I never expect full trading days, but it is what it is. All right, so we got two scenarios. Price comes up, triggers us, or price comes up, then completely manipulates to the downside. So as price comes up, we're also putting a sell stop So that way we could capitalize off of the manipulation if price does reverse on us before triggering our entry. I could totally see that happening. Oh, yeah. Or price can drop to the new week opening up and then buy off of that to then come up. Oh yeah, we're dropping it like it's hot on a Monday. Oh yeah, price definitely would not want to come back up that high at all. Stops, I mean, sell limit will be right at this fair value gap that price inverted. So if we can, or here, 59. Oh, fuck me. What the fuck? Why? Why now? Why couldn't you wait, you mother of nature? I swear. Wait for me. Damn. Why don't you want to wait? Swing low. Jesus. If price doesn't not run through the new week opening gap, swing low is our entry, which is right here. This swing low is going to be our entry. All right, so entry. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. Entry is going to be 44. 18644, our entry. That is so funny. Price left without us. Sad. Let's go give it to us. Four four 644 question mark. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Give it to me. 644. Or if not, we're done today at break even. You are at break even today, Justin, right? If you followed my trading exactly, you'll be at break even right now, right?
I'm not at break even, brother.
That doesn't make
I
sense to me. I mean, I know commissions, yes, commissions will bring you down like just literally a tiny bit, but are you at least down less than 200 on the day? That's how it should be. Close to break
I'm
even.
down 800. I'm down 800, bro. But follow the trades exactly. I think like I don't know like why. I think I got stopped out like at like those my stop loss instead of break even. I don't remember,
Ouch.
but I followed everything. I didn't trade by myself.
Ouch. Okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
that hurts me.
I only have 200 left in my account before I lose it.
You have 200?
$200, yeah, 230. But it's kind of funny, bro, because I like ran the edge, so I'm gonna claw my way out.
Well, ouch.
What about you? How's your account, brother?
I'm at break even. I'm literally at break even today.
Must be nice.
I don't yeah, you know what? I'm just going to trade for myself and you guys follow me. That's because I'm not going to ask any more questions from now on.
Yeah, I mean,
I'm not doing that. It's like damn. Like that alone like proves like it doesn't matter if the nicest person in the world tries to help you, it's just I don't know what is.
oh, I know why I'm not a break even. I'm not a break even because I didn't get that 30 point. I got stopped out because I had a stop loss on, and I got stopped out early on that. Because if I had like removed my stop loss, I would have lost the account. So that's
Oh,
why I remember. Yeah. All right.
well, I am expecting for price to just run through this new week opening up. I wanna see that happening. Price needs to do that because I say so. I'm just kidding. Price needs to do it because of other reasons, but I just want the satisfaction of Price completely running through that new week opening gap that happened 5 weeks ago, maybe, if I can remember correctly. Watch this. This is magic. Magic. Hopefully, Price can do it before the macro, because if Price can do it before the macro, that would be lovely. That way, I can target this up here, pre-macro engineered buy side liquidity. You may think not because damn, Price literally just displaced lower, but it is CPI day and Price is seeking and destroying. So as soon as Price gets this, that would be partly enough for Price to then start spooling up into this breakaway gap and further up, filling in more gaps up here. And Price just fell short of this engineered buy side liquidity up here, so I'm bullish. Obviously, right now, Price is not giving us any bullish scenarios, but I'm expecting for Price to start reaching for this buy side liquidity all the way up over here. Trade triggered at 18,644. Stop loss 18,654. Took liquidity before the entry. That's beautiful. That's always nice to see. Now, in case we do start really dropping down below, we can take this and this at least. So 18,580. Let's see what that gives us. 18,580. That'll be like around what? 60 points. 18,580. Hey, we're going for 7R. 70 points. Fuck it. 70 points it is. Because ultimately, I want this to be targeted all the way down here. So this is okay right here. This is fine. Stops at break even. I don't want Price coming anywhere near that high that it just left. So Price is at break even right now, guys. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful entry. That is so fucking beautiful. So perfect. And notice how every single one of my entries have been different. All of my entries are different. None of them has been the same. Oh, I hopped on the same parameters here. No. Price gave me different information up here, so I hopped on accordingly. Price is giving me different information here, so I'm hopping on accordingly. Oh my Jesus. I could 2 years ago, I could have never done this, to be honest. I could have never done this 2 years ago. It's crazy to me. I don't know how I'm doing it now, but it's like, I mean, I do know how I'm doing it now, obviously, but it's like, I never thought I would ever snipe an entry. I never thought I'd predict price direction for an entire day. What? Oh no. I am ultimately grateful for never quitting. Stops at break even, guys. I am ultimately grateful for never quitting. If this setup goes well, we're up 70 points on the day. Stops at break even. I swear, if price comes up and takes me out break even, price shouldn't. It really shouldn't. Come on. Come lower, you bastard. Just kidding. No one's a bastard. That was so retarded. No, it's not. Yes, look at that strong rejection. Oh no, immediate rebalance and strong rejection. Off of that immediate rebalance, you already know we're aiming for those lows. Without a doubt, people. What? That is too strong of an indication. Way too strong. Especially if it's on the 5 minute, because that's like 5 times more influential than the 1 minute. And the 1 minute is giving us that bearish indications as well. It's wanting to reach for at least the equilibrium. Let's see how it reacts. If we can get a close underneath that equilibrium, that would be gorgeous, beautiful, amazing, wonderful. Let's see. It's playing with it. Close beneath it. Let's set our stops at 1 RR. 1 RR. I don't want to see price come back up. So 18634 is our stop. And if it hits it, we're done for the day. I'm sorry guys, but we'll get more profits tomorrow maybe. But this is our stop loss down here. And right now we're sitting at 40 points. 40 points in profit. Come on. Come on. No. No, that's not what you're supposed to do. That's not what you're supposed to. You're supposed to displace down lower, remember? It's probably going to come up to this gap and fill it up a little bit. Let's see what happens here. Remember, stops at 10 points. We're securing 10 points at least today. Look at that. Fair value gap. You see that? Now, I would want for it to continue going lower. And if it doesn't, that's fine. That's okay. As soon as price comes and takes this low here, we're moving our stops to 20 points in profit. As soon as this low gets violated here, we're moving our stops to 20 points in profit. All right, takes liquidity once more. All right, so we're just going for 594. I'm receiving different information now, so it calls for different parameters. Our take profit is now 18,594 for 5 R for 50 points. If this trade pulls through, we're up 50 points on the day. And we can be okay with that. 50 points is more than enough to make a man happy. Let's go. Come on, baby. Remember, 20 points if it surpasses this red line. Let's go. Strong rejection, baby. Come on. Fill in that new week gap. Let's go. A little bit more. Boom. Take profit hit. We're up 50 points on the day. Wow. You gotta be kidding me. Bruh. Bruh. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's gonna do it. It's gonna do it. It's gonna do it. It's gonna tear me apart if it does. Well, it's okay. It's better safe than sorry because I didn't like the price action here. So this swing low here could have easily um, injected liquidity in price enough for it to reverse because it's already in a highly highly influential inefficiency, which is this new week opening up. But damn, price is gonna hit it. But oh no, oh no. Oh, thank God. It's gonna hit it. It's gonna hit it. That is dropping too strong for it to not hit. But that's it. That's all I got. We're up 50 points on the day. Jesus, that took forever. But you see, patience, guys. Patience. 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 Yo, I already knew CPI was gonna freaking target crazy objectives. Look at that, brother. New week opening gap 20, 240, 250 points from our entry. Our original entry, 250 points. That's fucking insane. That's insane. Anyways, I want to see this hit take profit. Once this hits that, oh, 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 it's not doing it. Oh, that's beautiful. Anyways, 50 points, guys. Thank you for being here. I hope you got it. If you didn't catch it, we'll catch the next one. Thank you for uh, joining and hopping in, Justin. This one here, if you hopped in it, it should have never violated your account. Your account should be safe right now, Justin. Is it safe?
Nah, I didn't get in, brother. I didn't get in, brother. I messed up. I know. I know.
No, you're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. That's smart. That's a good thing. You know why? Because it's a good thing. You already know. You already know why. Because you already risked, and it's like you held yourself, strong and disciplined enough to just not take another trade, and that's amazing, bro. I applaud you for that. That's
Thank you.
success. That's success.
That's real. That's real. That's real.
But we're up
I
50.
just, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You just what? Talk to me.
I say yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, we're up 50 points on the day. Beautiful.